So we had some producers come in and they were really concerned about their canal. They had problems with leaching. Producers at the end of the canal weren't getting their full share of water, and so they wanted to try to remediate that with teaming up with us and putting in a pipeline.
This was an old canal right here that we piped. The pipe was put in with the hope that we could save water from being lost into the ground, because an open ditch obviously loses water. We live in the basin, and as you can see, on the ground there's this white stuff, and we call it Utah snow. It's basically salinity. There's salt in the soil that's here from geology. If you get that wet, it comes to the surface, or it's leached through the ground. You apply too much water and it leaches out and it goes down to the river, and eventually it ends up in California and Mexico.
The Bureau of Indian Affairs actually was the lead agency on the project, and NRCS was able to become the technical and financial assistance on the project. We were able to participate through the Environmental Quality Incentives Program, and we have an initiative out here called Colorado River Basin Salinity Control Program, and so that has special monies that come to our area to be able to participate in projects that save salt from going into the Colorado River Basin.
You know, one of the biggest challenges I think that I had with this project was determining the size of the pipe that you need to put in, and that all goes back to how the water is managed. As you decide on that pipe size, you know, there's an economic challenge there. You know, some canals are just too big to be piped. But the advantage in the water savings that you're going to have, if you can pipe a certain section of it, you're going to be saving that money, and you're going to be saving that water that potentially is going to be lost.
There's about 900 shares of water on this, and that's about 900 acres. About half of it was already under sprinkler, half was flooded, and we're going to be able to pick up that additional 350, 400 acres of flood to sprinkler in on-farm project, as well as this one Pahcease group canal project. In the past, we've worked with tribal members, and we really want to make sure that they have very productive lands. We always try to have outreach with the Ute tribe in our area and have them come in and sign up and participate with our programs. And we've had some success in the past, and we'd like to continue that and move into the future with even more projects to see what we could do to assist